spray bottle hook that everyone needs. Look at this. This will help you organize all your spray bottles just like that. And what's so cool about it, it has like a double face from the back. All you need to do is just like peel the sticker and stick it to the door. It comes in a pack of 8, so you can organize all your spray bottles. Let's open this one. You hook it here. And that's it. This is an amazing spray bottle hook. I highly recommend it if you love organizing your pantry, if you love organizing under your sink, all your cleaning products. I love it and I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.